Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be me showing you how to do this little rose gold cut crease for a holiday makeup tutorial. And you know what, I'm going to be going on a little rant, okay? I have some things to say. So if you guys are interested in that and want to see how to create this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with my Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. I've been loving this palette lately. I've been using it for like all the makeup looks I do. So I'm gonna dip into Cocoa, which is this shade right here. But I'm gonna prime my eye first. Prime my eye, I'm gonna use the Born This Way concealer. This is in the shade Almond. And then actually, I've been setting my eye makeup lately. I don't know why, I just like setting it again. I wasn't setting it for a while, but I'm back to setting it. I just think it comes out better when I set it. I feel like I haven't done a cut crease in super long. Like, it's been a hot minute. Yeah, I just felt like, honestly, I got inspired by Daisy's video when she did like not really a sharp cut crease, but she did a cut crease, and I was like, you know what, I haven't done a cut crease in a while, so let me just do one. Where is the brush? Oh, so I'm gonna take this like big fluffier brush to lay down the color Cocoa, and I'm just gonna try to get that right in the socket of my eye. And then I'm just gonna blend it out upwards, and then I'm gonna kind of drag it out like that. And then bam, now I'm gonna take the color Bossy, which is this more plummy shade, and I'm gonna take that on a Morphe M562 brush, which is just a small skinny tapered brush. This is really good to get into the crease. I really love brushes like this, and I'm just gonna put that right in the crease. And then I'm gonna slowly flick that out as well. And then I'm gonna take this fluffy brush one more time and just make sure everything's blending. Now I'm going to cut my crease, and I'm going to take the Royal concealer brush, and we're going to cut the crease, girl. Cut the motherfucking crease. Okay, so now I'm going to take the shade Angelic, which is up here, and this is just a really pretty rose gold shade, and I'm gonna put that all over the lid. My apartments are throwing a holiday party tonight. What time is it? At 5. It's 4:54. I really want to pull up because free food, bitch. Free food. And I'm always down to eat. Okay, so now I'm going to take my eyeliner. And this is the Urban Decay eyeliner. But you kind of have to go over a couple times with this one because the shadow does peek through a little bit. No, I didn't. No, I fucking didn't. Bitch. No, I didn't. Oh my god. Oh my god. You know what? I'm just not even gonna stress about that right now. I'm not gonna do it. Nope. Okay, I'm gonna put on my lashes. I'm putting the lashes in Miami by Lily Lashes on, and then I will be right back. We're gonna move on to the face. I'm gonna go on a little rant, so stay tuned for that. They give me some chocolate milk. That shit. Oh, I'm out of breath. I literally just walked from where I was filming to the kitchen, and I'm out a fucking breath, bitch. I feel like I'm suffocating. So I'm just gonna prime my face with this Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 primer and setting spray. And honestly, I don't know how to fix this little eyeliner situation, so that mark is just gonna stay. And I'm gonna be using my Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation. You know, a little oldie. This is in the shade Y335. You know, my face is gonna be a little bit darker. My lips are dry as fuck. I just feel like I need to address a couple things from my last video, because people really feel so entitled to my pregnancy. Like, first of all, I didn't know you were my doctor. Second of all, if you don't have a kid, if you've never been pregnant before, don't even try to give me advice. Don't be that person, okay? Don't be Dr. Google, bitch. We don't need you. We don't look shit up on Google, because half the time it's not true. I'm honest as fuck, okay? I've been very honest during my whole pregnancy. I'm not going to breastfeed, and that's for personal reasons. I don't feel like I need to tell you guys the reasoning, but obviously there's a reason I'm not going to breastfeed. And you know what? You can have an opinion on not breastfeeding your child, which is fine. You know, we all have different opinions and views on things, but just keep it to your fucking self. Keep it to yourself, okay? I am not you. You are not me. We are not the same person. I do things differently than you would. You do things differently than I would. You know what I'm saying? And like, the fact that people are even trying to come at me because I'm not taking my prenatal vitamins, like, girl, shut up. Please shut up. I don't want to hear it. Like, people telling me that my baby could get defects from me not taking prenatal vitamins. You don't need prenatal vitamins, okay? You act like you can't get those nutrients and vitamins in foods that you eat and different things that you eat. You don't need to take a prenatal vitamin for that. And I'm not gonna take it if it's making me sick. I'm sorry. I've tried a couple prenatal vitamins now at this point, and they've all made me sick. Someone commented and called me selfish for not taking my prenatal vitamins. Like, bitch, shut the fuck up, please. I'm selfish for not taking my prenatal vitamins, I guess. Like, sorry, I'm not trying to be sick every single day of my life. I have shit to do. I have things that need to get done that are not gonna get done if I feel nauseous all day and I'm throwing up because of these vitamins. Like, I'm not gonna do it. Sorry. If you want to push through that, girl, all power to you. But you know what? That's just not me. Hi, Spice. Hello. Did you come to say hi? Say hello. Hey, Louise. He's been asleep. He's been knocked the fuck out on my bed. But yeah, like, I just hate how people feel so entitled to people's lives and like what they choose to do. Like, obviously if they choose to do something, it's for a reason. There's a reason behind it. They're not just doing it not to do it. Like, there's reasoning behind it. And like, sometimes, you know, it's just like, I knew this was gonna happen. Like, I knew people were gonna have shit to say, especially when I have him. Like, people are gonna tell me how to try to parent and all that, and like, that's just fucking annoying. Like, that makes me not even want to show him on my channel, because I just don't want to hear what people have to fucking say about how we raise our kid or how we do things. Like, you want to do something a certain way, that's fine, more power to you, sis. But not everyone does shit the exact same way. Closed-minded and just ignorant about shit and arrogant. I just could never live my life like that, you know? I try to see things the way other people see things also, you know what I'm saying? Like, with certain things, You know, certain things I have like a really strong opinion about, but for the most part I feel like I'm pretty open-minded and understanding of other people. And like the people that just are just rude and nasty about things and are really close-minded, like, y'all have a lot of growing to do. I'm just saying. Like, I couldn't imagine going through living my life like that 24/7, just having to say something about how someone else is living their life or talking shit. Like, you're just miserable. Oh, by the way, I'm using the Born This Way concealer. This is in the shade Almond. All these trains, man. Another thing is, people were coming at me for ads in my videos. Yes, I put around 4 to 5 ads in my videos, and I don't see a problem with that. You know, this is my job. This is how I make a living. I don't do anything else besides YouTube and social media. So I treat this as a job now. It's not just something I do. Vice, really? So I'm just trying to play right now. It's not just something I do anymore. Like, when I first started, it was something I just did for fun, and then it became like a serious thing. Like, a lot comes with having a job on social media. It's not just sitting in front of a camera and filming. There's a lot of other stuff that goes into it. It's so funny to me that people are still complaining about ads. Like, girl, it's about to be 2020. Social media is the modern way, or the new age way, to like have a career, basically. And people are still complaining about ads this, ads that. All you care about is money, blah blah blah. Like, first of all, I've been doing this for 3 years, so the fact that people are even trying to say that I'm just doing this for money, like, yes, this is my career, but I've been doing this for almost 4 years already. At first, it wasn't even, I didn't even think I was gonna make money off of it, you know? I was just doing it just to do it. But yes, this is my job now. This did become more serious than I ever anticipated. Like, the fact that people are still saying shit about it, it's just like, go get some dick. Go get some fucking dick. Everything has ads. Like, just deal with it. And if you don't want to deal with it, don't watch YouTube. Like, you don't need to go out of your way to comment on someone's video just to be negative. Like, if you have a problem with it, then don't support it. Like, I don't know why people sit here and complain about something that you could easily just not even give your energy or time to. Because I know that if something bothered me, I wouldn't be giving my energy nor time to it. Now that we're done with like that little rant, I do want to say thank you to everyone who really supports me and what I do and everything that I've chose to do with my pregnancy. Like, I love you guys so much, and all the positivity really outweighs all the negativity in my eyes. But I just feel like sometimes I have to address things also, because if I don't, it's just gonna be weighing on me, and it's good to talk about your feelings. Yeah, I feel like I just needed to go on that little rant. Now I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier A powder and I'm gonna set my under eyes. And honestly, I'm not gonna put eyeshadow on my lower lash line. I just think I'm the type of person that looks better without it, and I've realized that. So we're just gonna keep it bare. I'm gonna take my big powder brush and I'm just gonna set my, actually, yeah, I'm just gonna set my whole entire face. I didn't cream contour this time. I wanted to, but whatever, I already put powder on my face. Now I'm gonna set my eyebrows with the Gimme Brow by Benefit. Now I'm gonna take my Urban Decay Beach Bronzer in Sunkissed, and we are gonna bronze the face. This is the Luxie 522 brush. This is actually a tapered highlighting brush, but it's super good for bronzing. Okay, now I'm gonna take my Jouer blush. Oh my god, this one broke too. I'm gonna put a little bit on my nose. I've been liking it on my nose lately. I'm gonna put mascara on my lower lash line. I'm gonna set my face and I'm gonna do my lips, and then we are gonna be done. Get down. Get down. Get down, little pretty puppy. Get down, little cute puppy. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? What did I do to deserve this today? Like, I don't understand. Okay, I know everyone's been wondering, like, my lip color. It's the Jouer pencil, lip liner pencil in Fawn. This is my favorite lip liner ever. And on top, I use the diffused matte lip color Peach Puff in the shade In the Flesh by Too Faced. And then I'm probably gonna add a gloss. And I'm out of my favorite lip liner. That is trash. That is so disrespectful. Okay guys, so this is the end of this. Oh wait, I didn't even put highlight on. I didn't even set my face. What the fuck? I was like, why do I look so bare? Okay guys, this is the end of this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed and you enjoyed my little rant. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe. Join the fam. Comment down below so we can talk, and turn my post notifications on, okay? Don't be fake. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.